We should be live at this point. Let's go. Hello, 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 hello. Finally, we're live. Waiting. Thank you so much, brother, for waiting. But yeah, एक बार सेटअप कर दूँ पूरा, ठीक है? आई होप यू गाइस आर एबल टू सी मी क्लियरली एंड एवरीथिंग. आवाज़ आ रही है अच्छे से? एक बार बता दे कृष्णा. ओके, आ रही है. चल ठीक है. ओके, सो स्पेशली आज फोकस करेंगे गोल्ड पे, ठीक है? कल रात में हमने गोल्ड को जो ट्रेड लिया था, मैं एक बार तुमको ट्रेड दिखा देता हूँ, ठीक है? वो ट्रेड TP1 तक जो हमने होल्ड किया था, TP1 के बाद उसने कंटिन्यू नहीं किया उस डायरेक्शन में, ठीक है? सो वी हैड टू लाइक स्टॉप एंड यप, दैट वाज द रिजल्ट. आई विल शो यू द रिजल्ट फॉर दैट ट्रेड ऑल्सो, राइट? दैट वाज अ लॉस. अगर TP1 तक अगर होल्ड नहीं करते तो दैट वुडंट हैव बीन एनी प्रॉब्लम. जस्ट अ सेकंड, मैं एक बार लॉगिन आईडी डाल के पासवर्ड डाल देता हूँ, ठीक है? जस्ट अ सेकंड. मैं स्क्रीन हाइड कर रहा हूँ बस एक सेकंड के लिए, ओके? सिम हेलो सर, व्हाट अप ब्रदर? जस्ट होल्ड करो थोड़ा, मैं एक बार लॉगिन आईडी डाल दूँ. होल्ड ऑन, होल्ड ऑन, होल्ड ऑन, होल्ड ऑन. ठीक है, अब दिख रही स्क्रीन? आई होप अब स्क्रीन दिख रही होगी. बढ़िया, परफेक्ट. कल रात का मैं एक बार दिखा दूँ तुमको, ठीक है? उसको हम TP2 तक हमने होल्ड किया था, दैट्स वाई वो एक्चुअली वहाँ से रिवर्स चला गया था. सो दिस वाज द रिजल्ट. उसका मैं एक बार तुमको दिखा देता हूँ, हिस्ट्री फॉर द लास्ट 30 days. एंड येस, दिस वाज, ठीक है? And yep, it went against us, but that is completely fine. But I think we should have just closed it at the TP1, ठीक है? At this point, this was the point. इस point तक आया था वो. तो अभी थोड़ा होल्ड करो, then we'll be good to go. Are you sure you okay with the withdrawal for any delay and issue? Bro, that's what I'm saying. The withdrawals and everything is fine. The only thing is the spread. Spread is the issue. The commission is the issue. It's too much. It's too much, right? If you compare some recent brokers, it's too much. Cool. Okay. So शुरुआत से शुरू करते हैं. So what we can expect today, ठीक है? Do not expect कि directly ऊपर जाएगा, okay? Do not expect. अगर तुम यहाँ से buy कर रहे हो तो there should be some setup and just wait. Let me just analyze. मैंने आज पूरा दिन कुछ भी नहीं देखा, ठीक है? कोई भी चार्ट नहीं देखा है. मॉर्निंग में आई थिंक 6 बजे मेरी मतलब मैं सोया नहीं था, तो उस टाइम पे आई थिंक मैंने कुछ गोल्ड को ओपन करके देखा था. बट या आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग एट इट व्हाइल वाचिंग समथिंग. सो या आई डिडंट रियली डू एनीथिंग. But yeah, good levels. Eventually it's gonna go up, but at the same time you need to wait, and it might come down to this level, right? So in order for it to reach this level, right, it has to come to this level first, right? And then we can see something like this, right? But it's not sure as of now, okay? It's not sure as of now, so you need to wait. And let me see, let me mark some levels and let me see what is going on in gold right now. ठीक है, let me mark the recent low and recent high. So we'll be having some, this level is good, it hasn't broke this one. ठीक है, ब्रो विल शो यू, रुक जाओ, ठीक है? मैं तुमको दिखाता हूँ, सारा कुछ दिखाता हूँ, सब कुछ हिस्ट्री है मेरे पास. थोड़ा अभी इसका वेट करते, रुक जाओ. ठीक है? So eventually it's gonna go up, but at the same time you need to understand that for in order for it to go up, you need to like come down, right? Take out some liquidity, right? And I feel like अगर बड़ा move चाहिए, right, it has to come down to this level first. You're getting my point? So there is a trend line here. अगर तुम देखोगे, right, trend line is a very basic thing. अगर तुम उसे ध्यान से सीखोगे, it is very important, right? If you understand that how trend line works and why market creates trend line and then it break through and everything, then it is very fascinating. Okay, so yeah, let me come back to the 15. See, the 15 minute chart is, it's interesting. Okay, okay, so if we consider this as a swing low, right, but this was the original swing low that you can see here, right? uh, when it went up, came down, this was a swing low, right, and then it came down again, and then this was the level that you can see. ठीक है, what do we have right now? What do we have? Is it gonna directly go up? No, it's not gonna directly go up. It's not gonna go up directly. Okay, there are major levels here. It has created this, it already tapped into that level. Cool, let me just figure out something. थोड़ा 5-10 मिनट रुको, ठीक है, 5-10 मिनट रुको. Let me observe more and we'll be able to see. I'll tell you exactly what's going to happen in next 1-2 hours, ठीक है, and we'll be taking some trades as well. Trend line, this was the trend line that I was talking about. Okay, और 4 मिनट बचे इस कैंडल को क्लोज होने में. लेट मी कम डाउन टू दिस लेवल. ठीक है, 5 मिनट पे यूल बी एबल टू सी अ गुड सपोर्ट एंड गुड रेजिस्टेंस, राइट. बट तुम अगर देखोगे, ये वाला रिसेंट लो था. अगर तुम यहाँ से अगर ऊपर जाके यहाँ पे फेल हो रहे हो, राइट, सो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दैट यू वांट दिस. तुम समझ रहे हो, यू वांट दिस एंड देन यू कैन सी सम मूव्स टू दिस साइड. बट एट द सेम टाइम तुम अगर देखोगे, ये यहीं से रिजेक्ट कर दिया है, राइट. सो यहाँ से अगर रिजेक्ट करता है तो आई एम नॉट श्योर इट्स गोना गो अप फुल, इट्स गोना गो अप डायरेक्टली, राइट. इट हैज़ टू create some kind of some sort of manipulation. I feel this is a complete manipulation. It's not gonna go up from here. This is complete bullshit. You're getting my point? I need some sort of confirmation. I need some sort of strong setup. तब जाके we can buy or sell, right? Because we are not doing anything right now. अगर तुम 1 minute time frame पे आओगे, you will see a trend line here as well. If you come to the 1 minute time frame, what I told you, right, you'll be able to see a trend line here as well. Got it? Okay. I'm not interested in buying as well. I'm not interested in buying as of now. वी हैव टू वेट. आई थिंक कल भी हमने 2 घंटे वेट किया था. 2 घंटे के बाद हमें कुछ अच्छा पोजीशन मिला था जहाँ पर हम सोच सकते हैं कि हाँ, यहाँ से हम बाय और सेल कर सकते हैं, राइट. व्हाट यू कैन सी, राइट, दिस वाज द सपोर्ट, दिस वाज रेजिस्टेंस लेवल यहाँ पर, राइट. मार्केट, द गोल्ड इज टेकिंग रेजिस्टेंस फ्रॉम दिस लेवल एंड डिड नॉट टेक, took यहाँ पर very major resistance level, right, but it's coming down to this level. I think this is gonna happen in next like 5 to 10 minutes. It's just gonna consolidate and yeah, it might try to like manipulate, go up from this level and do nothing, and then go down from this level and do nothing. Got it? But you need to wait. Nothing is confirmed. Okay, nobody knows how it's gonna move. Nobody, no one. Okay, you just have to figure out, find some setup, use the previous knowledge, whatever you have learned, and then you can maybe think that it might go in that level, right? Okay, I don't want to sit at like 1 minute time frame, honestly. Sometimes it's confusing. It is confusing. Very setup though. Yeah, you can see that, you can say that, but nah dude, nah. I would like to hold, right, I would like to hold. Now it's gonna break out from here. First. 30. You can expect some good moves, by the way. ठीक है? You can expect some good moves. चार्ट बहुत ऊपर दिख रहा है क्या? एक मिनट में नीचे कर देता उसको, रुक जाओ. ठीक है? I think this should be it, right? Wait, numbers नहीं hide होने चाहिए. Hold up. Levels hide नहीं होने चाहिए. Okay, perfect. See, now it is accumulating. Okay. So what we can see next, a manipulation could be, and this is a level, mostly it might go to this level and reject from here. Okay. So this is next level that you can expect gold to move. It is gonna some sort of this. You see this, right? There are good chances of like this can happen. Nah, brother, not Mumbai, not Mumbai. ठीक है, वेट करो. अभी कितने सेकंड बचे? सॉरी, 3.5 मिनट बचे इस कैंडल को क्लोज होने में, राइट? दिस कैंडल इज़ वेरी पावरफुल. आई फील दिस कैंडल माइट गो टू द प्रीवियस सपोर्ट, राइट? दिस सपोर्ट, and it might consider this as a resistance, right? And yeah, but it has to reject from there, otherwise it's not a very good news for the people who are planning to short from here. All right, let me see what is happening on 1 minute time frame. Let me remove this. You got it, right? What I'm planning, you got it. तुम समझ रहे हो ना कि क्या हो सकता है at this point? And now I'm gonna remove this and then focus on each candle, and then you'll be able to understand कि candle किस तरीके से move कर रहा है and what is the next in 1-2 hours you'll be able to understand that from which side of where you should be buying or selling. ठीक है? Good setup. This is definitely a good setup for the sell, right? Because the after this, right, this is what you can expect. If gold is gonna fall, right, this is the next level that you can expect, or this one. This level is very good, by the way. These levels are very good. You're getting my point? Yep, it has to fall. This is the level I'm talking about. This level, it has to come to this level in order for it to go to any level. Fuck this shit. Never take a trade जब तुम्हें इस तरीके का कैंडल्स मिल रहे हो मार्केट में, ठीक है? जब भी तुम गोल्ड देख रहे हो, कोई भी सेटअप देख रहे हो, जब भी तुम्हें इस तरीके का कैंडल पैटर्न या बहुत सारे विक्स, राइट, इट्स अ चॉपी मार्केट, you should always avoid trading in setups like this. This is not a setup, this is just market is trying to manipulate or accumulate a little bit, ठीक है? So ऐसे सेटअप्स में या ऐसे कंडीशन में कभी भी ट्रेड नहीं करना चाहिए, राइट? दैट इज जस्ट माई पर्सनल सजेशंस. इफ़ यू स्टिल वाना गो फॉर इट, डू इट. बट हाँ जी, तो हम ये एक गुड बेरिश एक लेवल तुम बोल सकते हो, राइट? अगर तुम मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर की बात कर रहे हो, इट इज़ अ गुड bearish structure, but at the same point you need to know that on 4-hour time frame the market is completely bullish. You're getting my point? On 5 minutes the picture is different, on the 15 minutes, right, the picture is different, right? The 15 minutes also, like, it's going nice, but you need to see that these two candles cannot make any sense right now. It has to reject from these levels, You know what I mean? If gold wants to go up, this is the level that it has to come down, and then it can go from here. You're getting my point? So directly going up from here, this because you see this liquidity sweep, right? It does not make any sense. And this is what happened here also yesterday. This some sort of setup, right? अगर तुम इसी setup की बात करो, ये वाला, ठीक है, ये बॉक्स, इस बॉक्स को अभी ध्यान से देखना, ठीक है, इसको हम कल हमने किस तरीके से इसको एनालाइज किया था. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, ठीक है, सेम लेवल पे. ओके, वेट अ सेकेंड, ये वाला था वो लेवल, ठीक है, जहाँ पे सम सॉर्ट ऑफ लिक्विडिटी स्वीप था. मार्केट ट्राई टू गो अप फ्रॉम देयर, बट इट वाज टू मच मैनिपुलेशन. यू सी दिस विक्स, राइट? ये विक्स बस तुम्हारे स्टॉप लॉस हंट करने के लिए होती है. अंडरस्टैंड दिस, राइट? सो वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रक्चर, यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड सो मेनी थिंग्स. It does not make sense for it to go up. It's a perfect setup for a sell. It's a perfect setup for a sell. You see this? It's a perfect setup for a sell. I wouldn't say perfect, but it's a good setup. I wouldn't say perfect. Okay? I wouldn't say perfect. Okay. So this candle, right? Yep. It has to reject from this area, right? And अगर मैं specifically zone को cut कर दूँ and मैं line draw करूँ, I don't want this to go up this level. Then maybe some people can think about कि हाँ यहाँ से हम short कर सकते हैं, right? Just imagine कि ये वाला level tap in हो जाता है and तुम यहाँ से short करते हो. तुम्हारा स्टॉप लॉस तुम इस कैंडल के ऊपर रख सकते हो या इसके बॉडी पे रख सकते हो. जस्ट इमेजिन, ओके, एंड दिस इज योर टारगेट. सो दिस इज जस्ट वी आर इमेजिनिंग दैट व्हाट कैन हैपन. ओके, सो नाउ जस्ट बिकॉज दिस candle is giving rejection, that doesn't mean it is directly gonna go up, right? Whenever this sort of candle creates, I told you what happens next. It always gonna do this to your market, right? So you need to wait right now for some time and you'll be able to understand that what market is trying to do. You're getting my point? It has rejected from here, right? But we cannot decide anything. There are 3 minutes more for this candle. ठीक है, 3 minutes और wait करना पड़ेगा. Getting my point? Okay, just a second guys, I need to okay, all right. Do you guys have any questions? क्या लगता है आज क्या हो सकता है, किस टाइप में मार्केट मूव कर सकता है? व्हाट यू गाइस थिंक? द ओवरऑल ऑब्जर्वेशन और एनालिसिस, व्हाट इज योर एनालिसिस? ओके, I feel this candle is just trying to manipulate some people that, oh, I'm going down here, like, you know, you can just sell from here, but this is not how it's gonna be. I feel like there should some sort of wick you'll be able to see here from this level, and this wick is gonna take out the stop losses of the people who are taking short from here. You're getting my point? We did not buy or sell, okay? हमने sell नहीं किया यहाँ पर, हमने बस यहाँ पर mark किया है कि what if most of the people are thinking that this was the previous support, now it's gonna take a resistance. This is like a good setup, right? Not a good setup, like an average setup. यहाँ से हो सकता है कि बहुत लोग सोचेंगे कि यहाँ से short करते हैं. We're just considering. You're getting my point? We're just trying to understand the scenarios, the multiple scenarios. I feel like 1.5 minute है और इस कैंडल के पास it can show his magic, or the next candle it will definitely come in this area. I'm pretty much sure it will definitely come in this area. See, so bas wait karo. If it does come to the area, then also we have some sort of setups or plan, right? That what can happen if it does not come to that area. We also have something in mind. You're getting my point? So for every case scenario so if I'm seeing that it is gonna come to this level, अगर वहाँ पर नहीं आता है, does that mean that I'm wrong? No. यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. वहाँ पर आता है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं दैट आई एम रॉन्ग. इट जस्ट मीन्स दैट आई वॉन्ट इट टू गो टू दैट लेवल, so some people can think that from that level they can short. You see that? So from that level you can short, but can you actually short from here? Because there can be a manipulation from that level as well. So this is just a scenario we are creating, right? Just a scenario that what regular mind can think of. You're getting my point? Just a second. Bro, I feel like long view on gold. I'll tell you, okay? सिद्धांत भाई बस मजे लेने के लिए आए. The long view is, I feel like it's gonna go up definitely 101%, right? But you need some sort of liquidity or like some swing low from this level. Just a second. As I told you, Rick, we need this low to be taken out. Then we can see this level can be taken out next. You're getting my point? First it has to go down and then we can see something going to this level. Not directly, right? It cannot directly move, but in between you'll be able to see a lot of trades. You'll be able to see a lot of trades, definitely. Right now we're just waiting for this, right? That level what I mentioned is for very long term, and we're not holding for that long. You see a bearish candle, and now the next candle is trying to like go up, right? It's pulling up. Just a second, guys. Bearish flag and pole. Yes, exactly. Just a second. Just a second, guys. कोई नहीं जाएगा, सब रुको यहाँ पे. I'm back. Who left? Who the fuck left? Okay. Wait करो, ठीक है? I'll show you a better perspective of this, ठीक है? You'll be able to see better perspective of this. You see this? ठीक है, यहाँ पर तुम्हें एक बेटर पर्सपेक्टिव मिलेगा. यहाँ पर अ ट्रेंड लाइन फेलियर, राइट? सो नाउ यू सी व्हाट इज गोना हैपन, राइट? इट माइट ट्राई टू मैनिपुलेट फ्रॉम हियर, इट माइट रीटेस्ट, और इट माइट जस्ट शोइंग दैट ओ शिट, आई एम लाइक, यू नो, यहाँ से ब्रेकआउट हो चुका है तो ओ शिट यहाँ से डायरेक्टली नीचे जाएगा, राइट? दैट कैन हैपन, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट कैन बी अ प्योर मैनिपुलेशन, राइट? सो देर आर टू लेवल्स हियर, यू विल बी एबल टू सी. सो फर्स्ट अगर तुम 1 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे देखो, it did try to manipulate here as well, right? It came down and it's coming down. Okay, it was a rejection. ठीक है, वेट करो बस. बाय द वे ट्रेड लिया नहीं है, ठीक है? तो अज्यूम मत करना कि ट्रेड लिया है. It was just a drawing. We did not take any trade. We were just thinking that people might think that it can go up and we can short from here, right? So what can happen to them, where that their stop loss can be, right? We are just assuming. ठीक है, let me remove this. This is बकवास, हटाओ इसको, चलो. See the trend line failure on 1 minute, but definitely a rejection. What I'm gonna call it? Am I gonna call it retest? Hell nah. We need this swing low, dude. We need this. We need this. We need this area. This area is very important. This area is very important. You see this, right? You see this? There are two lows. One, if it's gonna break out from here. 1, 2, right? So what you can expect? You see this? So yeah, wait and watch. Cool, a rejection from that candle as well. The next candle will be interesting. It will be interesting. If we see on 5-minute also, it was a rejection from this level. You getting my point? It was a rejection from this point. Did it? Okay, so there are two things, right? So people say like, should we consider body or the wick, right? I think this is like a very debatable topic, that like if they want to mark some levels and this and like, should they like consider the body or the wick, right? So what happened here? You need to understand this, right? So when market came to this level, this was a high, right? For this one, if I'm gonna mark this horizontal line here, what did it really take a resistance from, right? Wick or the body? I would say none of the above. You're getting my point? None of the above. So why this level? यहाँ से भी आ सकता था, इस लेवल से भी आ सकता था. You're getting my point? Why this level? Very important. So yeah. I feel like this candle is gonna just reject. Or if it's not gonna reject, then this is the next level, bro. This is the next level. Okay, it came down. Let's go. All right. But like, are we gonna buy from here? No, we cannot buy from here, right? But are we gonna sell from here? Hell nah. I am not gonna do it, right? This is just my perspective. This is how I trade. If you like the way I trade, if you don't like the way I trade, that's completely fine. Okay, everybody has like a different way of analyzing market, how they look at the market, how they analyze market, right? Their structure and everything is different, bro. What is working, what's gonna work for me, that doesn't mean that's gonna work for you as well, right? If, okay, I'm saying if, the if is very important. If we can call this area accumulation, right? Then if we call this one a manipulation, can we call this a distribution? You're getting my point? What do you think? Where? 5-2. Okay, good level, not bad. But then what if it rejects from there also, right? There are swing lows here. There are swing lows here. What if it's gonna reject from that level also? So if you want the clear picture of what just happened in this candle, you need to go to 1 minute time frame, and then you'll be able to understand that it was a good chain, right? It did came down, right? Basically trend line failure. You're getting my point? 1 2 3 trend line failure. I think जिन लोगों ने यहाँ से, in case some people might have just short from this area, and this is your next target or whatever it is, just assume, right? Just assume. So it should go to this level to take out all the stop loss. But right now what it's trying to do, this candle is showing that it is kind of retesting, right? It is retesting. So it broke this level going up. This can happen too. You're getting my point? So the retest is very important at this level. So it could be a retest or it could be a fake breakout. So how you gonna figure out what it is actually looking and actually waiting patiently? That's how you figure out. Okay, you don't figure out randomly, you figure out by waiting. You're getting my point? Let's assume that everybody is gonna sell from here because it was a retest, right? Everybody is gonna sell from here that it was a retest. Let's see what is gonna happen to those people, right? And I'm not even planning to go this, I'm just planning to go here. This is a small trade, right? I'm not even taking this trade, these are just drawing. Let's see what's gonna happen to them. Okay. Okay. You see that, right? You're considering this as a retest, right? But the retest is gonna happen from this level or this level, right? Because the trend line was here. You're getting my point? And now it rejected from that level. It did reject from that level, but do we really know now? Okay, now people are considering this trend line, right? Let's sell from here. We are not selling actually, we're just seeing, right? Let's sell. There is no perfect setup, that's why I'm not selling or buying. You're getting my point? I'm just assuming that what can be done or what can happen. So let's take this out, right? Let's say that people might think this was a chain, market was in this zone, right? It broke this level, it came down, now it's gonna retest from here, and then the next target is this. Simple. The next target is this. Let's see what's gonna happen to them. Okay. So what I just said, that this can, so there are two things. You're getting my point? So how the market really moves, I told you, right? It's always accumulation, then manipulation, and then distribution. As I told you before, right? I showed you on the 5-minute time frame that this whole level can be a accumulation, right? This level, this one, this fake breakout or whatever the fuck that is, this can be a manipulation. So now if it really wants to distribute, where it's gonna distribute? It is gonna distribute from this level. You see that? Bro, if you are going for a Mazi Finance, the highest charges is like $7, so you should go for that. The link is in description, you can go check that out. All right. For XM it's a lot. Okay, it's a lot for XM. Not many people can handle it. So yeah, you see this? Only 1 minute, only on the basis of 1 minute, right? So should we directly buy from here? Might be, right? But at the same time, you need to have some sort of good level for it to go up. If we can see like this market is taking this out, then we might see like, okay, it really wants to go up. You're seeing my like what I'm trying to say. But still, like, you know, the people who are like stop loss is here, or they're still in the market, like this people are still in the market, or this people are still in the market, right? But are they gonna be in the market for a long time? That is a very important question. Let's take this out. You see this? I need this, just a second. What they call it, dude? I need this. This is nice. I'll use this later. Cool. ठीक है? You see that it's going up. It's going up. This was a rejection, right? Now just think about this. Think about this, right? It's going up. What I just told you, right? Accumulation, manipulation, then distribution. So what's gonna happen, right? Why it did not come to this level and directly rejected from here? I think सेंस बनता था ना कि अगर इस लेवल पे आता है, इस लेवल पे आता है तो ज़्यादा सेंस बनता है, बिकॉज यहाँ पर बहुत लोग के डेफिनेटली देर शुड बी लाइक अ बाय, राइट? यहाँ पे सम सेल स्टॉप होंगे इस लेवल पे. It should have come to this level, right? That makes more sense. It did not. Why? ठीक है? Good. Moving nicely. Yeah. तीन मिनट बचे अभी इस वाली कैंडल को क्लोज होने में. We'll be able to understand so many things. If it's gonna reject from here, then what we just said, the people who sold from the retest are maybe gonna take this one. You see this level. I think as I told you before, it can manipulate from both the levels. You see what happened here, right? Just imagine यहाँ से तुमने buy किया था और यहाँ से buy किया था, just because ये they think that, oh, it's not a retest but it's actually going up. Imagine just you are just buying from here. Imagine you're just buying from this level. Imagine, okay, take this. Imagine you're just buying from here. You are out of the market. You're out of the market, so, right? So that's why you do not buy from levels like this. Just because it broke some trend line or like going somewhere, like trying to show you that, oh, I might go up and this and that, you should not go in the market, right? Imagine if I just told you that distribution, manipulation, and then it can go up. अगर यहाँ पर हमने buy कर लिया होता, right? But what I told you, like at least I need this level or this level to be taken out, then we can think about the buying, right? But did it really go to that level? Hell nah, right? So like we did something, we did not do anything, right? So what we really want to see here, this low, I want this low to be taken out. That's why I'm saying, like, answer me why when I was asking you the question कि market जब इस level पे था, जब gold इस level पे, let me take this out also, right? Let me take these fucking drawings out of this, okay? When it was on this level, why ये इस level से ही ऊपर क्यों गया, इस लेवल से ऊपर क्यों गया, ये लेवल पे क्यों नहीं आया? बिकॉज सबसे ज़्यादा तो लिक्विडिटी यहाँ पर है, राइट? वाई? बिकॉज इट रियली was trying to fuck with their head. That's it, no other reason. You're getting my point? It really wanted people to like show that, oh shit, now it's gonna go up from there, right? But in reality, it might come to this level and then maybe reject from here. Maybe, I'm saying, right? It did take this high though. अब यहाँ पर भी क्या हो सकता है, राइट? प्रीवियस जो लो था उसको ब्रेक करके नीचे आ गया, सो यहाँ पर भी वी कैन थिंक कि यहाँ से ऊपर जा सकता है, बट नहीं, वेट, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm just trying to give you all the perspective that what people can think of, what can happen, or what might have happened. You're getting my point? And how the basic psychology works, how the normal people think about trading, and what they look at, and then they go for any particular trade. अगर वो short हो, अगर वो long हो, right? उनकी मेंटालिटी क्या होती है हर एक हाइज एंड लोज के बाद, हर एक ब्रेकआउट के बाद, हर एक रीटेस्ट के बाद, किस टाइप की मेंटालिटी उनकी होती है और किस तरीके से मार्केट उनको मैनिपुलेट करता है. व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एंड देन यू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट एंड देन यू थिंक नहीं, आई डोंट रियली वांट टू गेट इनटू दैट, कि मुझे उससे बचना है, तब जाकर तुम अपने लॉसेस थोड़े कट कर सकते हो और अपने प्रॉफिट्स थोड़े और ज़्यादा ऐड कर सकते हो. यू आर गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? I think I'm too close to the mic. You see that? ठीक है? It is gonna reject. I'm expecting this level, dude. At least this level. ठीक है? This is my expectations. But does it really have to fulfill my expectations? No. Right? But yeah, this is what we can expect right now, because this is low. That's what I was saying. This level or this level or this level, not a good level to buy or sell if you're like have a very small stop loss or like very small capital, right? If you really want to grow your account from the scratch, not the good levels that you can buy or sell. ठीक है? Because it is definitely gonna take out all your stop loss and then it gonna go to level that it really wants to, and then go to another level where it really has to go. See? It is still in bullish structure, by the way. Okay, not bearish, my bad, bearish. It's still in bearish structure on this time frame, so I cannot even think about buying here. If you wanted some small trades, some scalping, I think you could have just got it here. This was a good level for you to do scalping and this and that. You see what is happening here on 1 minute time frame? Much clear picture. ठीक है? Much clear picture. Very important zone that is. ठीक है? Not much in the market right now. It is definitely very slow. अगर तुम देखोगे, it is not slow, but it cannot directly move like, you know, it has to slow down a little bit and then try to figure out where it really wants to go. ठीक है? You see these two candles, it was very aggressive and then it got slow down थोड़ा. ठीक है? तो थोड़ा और वेट करना पड़ेगा अगर हमें कुछ अच्छा खासा सेटअप अगर चाहिए. अगर तुम 15 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे भी आते हो, 15 minute पे it is, this is, you can see on 15 minute. Let me remove this. समझ रहे हो? It is still bearish on 15 minute. I'll be very honest. It has to take out these levels, dude. These levels are very crucial, very important. It has to take out these levels in order for it to go up. It cannot randomly go up because this level was use of nothing, right? There was liquidity. It's not like liquidity is always above the support and below the resistance. It does not work like that, right? There is much more details in it. The big players, they do not directly see कि oh shit इसके ऊपर liquidity हो सकता है, इसके ऊपर नहीं हो सकता है, और यहाँ से buy करेंगे, यहाँ पे sell करेंगे. This is not how it works. You cannot compete with them. You see that? It's still bearish. Okay, just a second, I'll be back. We are fucking back. Chalo. What you can see on the 5-minute time frame, nothing, right? You need to wait, thoda wait karo. We'll be definitely taking some trades, but यार randomly trades तुम नहीं ले सकते. You need some sort of confirmation, right? So उसके बाद ही हो सकता है जो भी कुछ होगा. ठीक है? If you have any questions, you can ask me. Feel free to ask questions, okay? I feel like अगर मूवमेंट आना है तो मूवमेंट हमें थोड़ा 10 के बाद आएगा या 9:30 के बाद हम कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, सम गुड मूव्स इन द मार्केट. ठीक है, बट इम्पेशेंटली नहीं करना है, पेशेंस के साथ करना है ताकि तुम्हारा जो कैपिटल है हमेशा बचा रहे एंड उसको तुम अच्छे से मैनेज कर पाओ. कूल. सो दीज आर द लेवल जहाँ पर तुम अभी बाय और सेल नहीं कर सकते. यू नीड टू वेट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कन्फर्मेशन, सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सेटअप यू नीड टू हैव एंड देन यू कैन गो फॉर बाय और सेल. ठीक है, सिंपल एज दैट. कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. दीज आर द लेवल जहाँ पर थोड़ा और पेशेंटली वेट करना पड़ेगा. इन बिटवीन तुम बाय नहीं कर सकते, समझ रहे हो? इन बिटवीन यू कैन नॉट बाय और सेल. लेट मी आस्क यू गाइस, जो लोग अभी देख रहे हैं, टेल मी, आर यू गाइज अभी शॉर्टिंग ऑन गोल्ड और बाइंग फ्रॉम दिस लेवल, और तुम ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट और बाय में हो? टेल मी दिस. ठीक है, तुम कौन से पोजीशन में हो? टेल मी फास्ट. और यू गाइज जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर इट टू गो टू सम सर्टन लेवल एंड देन यू कैन बाय और सेल? टेल मी. I feel like the level is good, ठीक है, but at the same time without any setup or without any confirmation थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा कुछ भी करना, right? Meanwhile, can we just like go to the BTC? Let's see what's gonna happen to BTC. Okay. कुछ तो क्रेजी हो रहा है यहाँ पर. Damn. It's crazy, dude. BTC is always crazy. It might slow down from this level, but fine. Not focusing on BTC. It is in good bull run, right? Nice, good level. It can definitely break this level. If you want quick money, you can just like get into this, but like don't. I would suggest not. What is the next level you can see for the BTC? This is the next level. This is the next level. How do you apply price action on patterns like this or like market like this? How do you think about price action? Tell me. What kind of setups you're gonna apply here? What you're gonna look at in the market that you can think, this is what I can apply and this is what I can think of, right? It does not move according to price action. This fucker doesn't move according to price action. There's a lot of manipulation. It's one of the most famous pair in this world, right? So you can't expect like very basic things. You see this? No, you can't expect some basic things. Let's go back to the gold. Again, a rejection from that level to on 30 minute you'll be able to see a good level. ठीक है? ठीक है? 30 minute. It's all about finding a good level and then working towards it. That's it. Thirty is good. 30 is good. The fall is nice. Everything is nice. You need this, dude. You need this. You need this. You need this. You need this. You're getting my point? You need this. But overall, it is okay. On 13-minute time frame also, it is not bearish. ठीक है? It is not bearish. Understand this very carefully. On 30-minute time frame, on 1 hour time frame, it is not bearish. It is bullish. On 30-minute also, it is not bearish. It is completely bullish, right? But if you can see that, just consider these levels. Let's take this level. No issues, okay? Right? This level is still there. जब ये वाला लेवल ब्रेक होता है तब हम बोल सकते हैं दैट ओके ऑन द लॉन्गर टाइम फ्रेम दैट गोल्ड इज थोड़ा अभी नाउ चेंजिंग इस कैरेक्टर. ठीक है? ये वाला लेवल जब तक ब्रेक नहीं होता है तो. बट नाउ इट इज स्टिल बुलिश. एंड ऑल्सो आई थिंक ट्रेडिंग में एक चीज़ मैंने नोटिस किए जो कि पर्सनली आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू ऑल, डोंट बी लाइक वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड, बी थोड़ा फ्लेक्सिबल, like in general, in life also, don't be very strong headed, be a little flexible, like a water that you can flow everywhere. Don't be like have that rigid mentality that, oh, it's gonna go down, nahi mujhe pata it's gonna go down from here, like don't be like that, don't be that dude, like so be flexible, act according to the market. It's okay if you change your mind, right? I think that it's bullish, it might come down to that level and break that like higher low, right? Or it might think that, as I told you, right, that, oh, it has to go down, like this level has to be taken out and then it can like go up from here, right? I think this is right, this is what should be happen, right, eventually. But what if it's not gonna happen? Am I not gonna plan anything for the upside? I am gonna plan anything because I'm changing my mind according to the market, right? So be flexible, don't be very rigid or like very strong headed, because yeah, that's really gonna help you in your life also. You see that it did break that trend line here, right? What are we supposed to do? We were supposed to close this body above this high, right? What I told you. So what is the next target? Next target is this, and then the below one, this one. You see that? But are we gonna like sell until it's gonna come to this level? This level is very crucial. This is like a higher low. If it does not come to this level, it is still bullish. It did come to this level, but it is still bullish because it did not break this level. Understand this. I think the longer time frame or the bigger time frame always helps in every way. It is creating some sort of ठीक है? This is what is happening as of now. We need this to be taken out. This level, we need this level actually, not this. We need this level to be taken out. Just tell me what is the next candle is gonna be. And also at the same time you need to understand this. This is also level, okay? Tell me, you saw a lot of patterns, right? What happens when pattern market creates patterns like this? Tell me, what happens? Tell me, what do you think? Where it's gonna break? It's gonna give like a breakout to this level, or it's gonna break through this level? Tell me, where do you think it's gonna break? Which direction? This pattern is very overused in the market. Just a second, okay? I'm back. टेल मी व्हाट हैपेंस जब इस तरीके से मार्केट क्रिएट करता है. See this? ठीक है. Next candle will be the breakout. Okay, next candle will be the breakout. Just wait and watch. 9:30 candle it is. No, 9:35. Okay, 9:35 candle will be the breakout, most probably. And it's gonna break out from this level, most probably. There is no way it's gonna create a green candle here. Yep, as I told you, there is no way it's gonna create a green candle here. You see that? I think this should be enough. This candle should be enough to break this level. We want something like this. Uh, 4 minutes. I think 4 minute थोड़ा interesting हो सकता है और what do you guys think? Tell me fast. Just tell me up or down. Do that. Let me start a poll. How do you poll? How do you ask for the poll? Okay, जितने भी लोग देख रहे हैं फटाफट लाइक कर दो, ठीक है, एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल पीपल हु आर न्यू. ऑल्सो लाइक जॉइन द कम्युनिटी, दैट इज द लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. ऑल्सो यू कैन जॉइन द best broker, right? That is Mazi Finance, and you'll be able to see that. Okay, the link is in description. ठीक है, they have a good commission, good spread. You can go for it. Trustable. Whatever the issues if you guys facing, अगर कोई issues आ रहे हैं ओके नहीं आएंगे because they have like almost 24/7 support. तो कुछ भी issues नहीं आनी चाहिए. अगर कुछ भी issues आते हैं then you guys can contact me. The link is in description for my Instagram and for my community as well. Okay, ठीक है. 3 minutes more. It is now creating a doji, but I feel like that could be a little fishy, right? Little fishy. It might try to like do something. I think this candle or next candle should be break through this sort of thing that is creating right now. ठीक है. If it's gonna go here to this level, right, it's gonna break, it's gonna come to this level. I think this is like a higher low for the last time, and if it's gonna come to this level, we can plan for something, right? We can plan something. I won't tell what, but we can plan something. अगर जानना है what we gonna plan, थोड़ा स्टिक करो, ठीक है, पेशेंटली स्ट्रीम देखो. तुम लोग जंप बहुत ज़्यादा करते हो यार. तुम लोग आई थिंक आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट सम पीपल आर वाचिंग एंड लाइक आई टोल्ड यू राइट, इट्स गोना ब्रेक आउट. This candle is gonna be the breakout, right? And it's not gonna stop, it's gonna come down. It's gonna come down more. So that is what happens when you observe the market, when you look at the market, when you see every candle, when you literally focus on each and every details, you will be able to see so many things happening in front of your eyes, and you'll be able to see what can happen in the future as well, right? Now it is rejecting from that level. You see that was rejection. But are we like scared? No, because we are not in the trade. Why we are not in the trade? Because we have not found anything that we can go for. What I told you, this or this, what I told you, it's gonna break through this level, right? And the next candle is gonna do it more. I just hope कि इसका body इस level के नीचे close हो, right? What I told you, it just happened, right? So now we want, ये already close हो चुका है, ठीक है? I want ये body इसके नीचे close हो. Then we can see the next candle like this, some sort of like this. You're getting my point? Just imagine you're buying to this level because some trend line failure or this or that, but it was a good retest, but retest थोड़ा ऊपर से हुआ, but yeah, it was a good trade on like a 1 minute time frame. As you can see, right, that was the level, right? It came down eventually, you see that? Yep. Okay, what I told you, it's gonna, what the hell, what happened to my Mac, dude? It's gonna break out from here, right? Right, you see that? That is what happened. This level done. Okay, we just want this to be taken out now. We just want this to be taken out and we can plan something. The low was so accurate. You see that? This low and this low. It was so accurate. Okay, the breakout is done. Definitely this candle will go to this level, right? At least, or it might create a fair value gap to this level. Okay, if it's gonna create a fair value gap, that's a good sign for us, because then we'll be have multiple confirmation. You need to have a multiple confirmation in order for it to like understand what is really gonna happen. Okay, some sort of this, at least this level. $4,352. You're saying this level? 5,4 you're saying. What is 4,354? What are you gonna do from this level? This you're saying? What are you gonna do? Tell me, level. Yeah, but what's gonna happen? Tell me. This level you're saying, right? Yeah. Okay. How does it look on 30 minute? Don't get confused, ठीक है? Small time frame, long time frame, बहुत सारे level से do not get confused, okay? Dude, it's gonna fall, dude. It's gonna fall to the original level that I mentioned before. It'll fall. But still, the higher low is still pending. तुम समझ रहे हो? Higher low अभी तक pending है. We need that higher low to be taken out. We'll remove this, okay? Because ज़्यादा confusion ना हो. Okay, now it has like a 1.5 minute remaining for this candle. You see that the level has been crossed. ठीक है? Don't be surprised if the next candle directly does this. Don't be surprised, okay? Or if it's gonna create an inverted hammer, then don't be surprised if the candle is gonna do this to the right. So what you can take out of it, right? So if we can consider this as a support level, it broke through the support and then it's gonna retest from there and this is gonna come down, right? But are we gonna sell from there? No, because we do not have multiple confirmations at that point also, right? At least I want this to be taken out, then we can think about something. We need to wait for at least like 30 minutes or something. I told you, right? It will definitely not create a fair value gap here. You see that it came to that level. It has to come to that level. Now it can go down easily. This was the level. आ गया, हटा देते इसको अभी, ठीक है. No fair value gap. Okay, there is a fair value gap though at this level. 5-minute FG. Okay, but how we gonna use this level? That is also very interesting. Are we gonna use that level right now? No. बहुत ज़्यादा फैंसी नाम यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है. बेसिक चीज़ों पे भी रहोगे तो भी हो जाएगा. आजकल पता नहीं बहुत सारे लोग लाइक ओ दिस दैट ओ SMT, everybody is like going after like fancy stuff, bro. Like don't do that. Okay, simplest form of trading is price action. Just focus on that. You can add some advanced concept, that is completely fine. If you think that's gonna work for you or that is working for you, completely fine. But do not just go with the trend that people are doing this and that and learning that and da da da. Don't fall in that trap. Okay, basic is very important and simple way of trading is basics. ठीक है, बेसिक्स पे फॉलो करोगे, बेसिक्स पे ध्यान दोगे तो ही हो सकता है कि तुम अच्छा खासा एक माइंडसेट के साथ ट्रेडिंग कर पाओ और अच्छा खासा प्रॉफिटेबल बनो, राइट. ज़्यादा सीखोगे, आई एम नॉट सेइंग ज़्यादा मत सीखो, ज़्यादा सीखो, बट एट द सेम टाइम डू नॉट गेट इनटू इट इतना ज़्यादा कि तुम अपने बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट से कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो. समझ रहे हो ना. बेसिक चीज़ों को फोकस करो, दैट्स इट. बहुत सारे लोग इतना सारा एडवांस सीख के लास्ट में बेसिक्स पे ही आ जाते हैं. यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. लास्ट में बेसिक्स ही काम आता है. So yeah, that is it. Don't forget your roots. All right, now it is retesting to this level. We want this, right? At least I want that. ठीक है, at least I want that. You see that? अगर यहाँ पर ये टैप इन करता है, very interesting. I see that. Good level. We just need one more push. Okay, good. We are into the fair value gap. Okay. Most probably it has to reject from here. Okay. Max this level. Max this one. It has to reject from here. In order for it to go down. Okay. This body has to reject. This body has to reject. ठीक है. This body has to reject. Two more minutes. The body has to reject from here. Two minutes. ठीक है. Perfect level. You see that? ये कैंडल अभी ऊपर जा रहा है, राइट. इसका बॉडी नीचे क्लोज होना चाहिए, इस लेवल के नीचे क्लोज होना चाहिए. It will not, I guess. It will. अगर नहीं होता है, that's fine. I think it has to, because it will help us understand more things. One minute left. Let's see. Interesting. Interesting pullback. Damn. Let's go. Damn. ठीक है. Nice level. You just ran through that fair value gap, dude. You just ran through that fair value gap. 5 seconds more. ठीक है. Now understand this. This candle's high, this candle's low. ठीक है. 9 minutes for this one. It's too much today. See, the breakout happened. It went up, right? Broke the trend line as well from this side. You see that? But if you think that it's gonna go up from here, I think that is too early to say, right? In my opinion, it is too early to say that. ठीक है? The level was fixed, everything was fixed, and one candle cannot decide anything. Just because this candle came to this level, broke this, that does not mean it's gonna go up. We need to wait for some more confirmation if it wants to go up. You see that? Because this low is definitely, they definitely take took this out. ये वाला तो निकल चुका है. So yeah, good level this was. Nice. It's this is what you call a liquidity sweep. Right? If right, let's remove this now because this is of no use. If it wants to go up, you see that this was the level, right? Basic. It has to create some sort of confirmation from this level for our understanding. Nah, dude, you cannot. You need to wait. We need to wait. Wait karo. Sorry, I can't take random trade. I can't take random trades, dude. I can't. That's not how I trade. I can't take random trades. हमें wait करना होगा. At the same point, I don't want to overcomplicate as well. तुम समझ रहे हो? Definitely trade चाहिए, no issues, right? But over complications भी नहीं चाहिए मुझे, ठीक है? I don't want to overcomplicate myself and then like fully get into it and then miss something that is very really important, ठीक है? तो अभी यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? ये वाले फेयर वैल्यू गैप को भूल जाओ, ये वाला ऑलरेडी निकल चुका है, समझ रहे हो? आई फील लाइक यहाँ पर अगर एक फेयर वैल्यू गैप क्रिएट होता है एंड नेक्स्ट कैंडल उसको अगर टैप इन करता है एंड 2 कैंडल्स उसके बाद की अगर इसको रिजेक्ट करती है, 1 कैंडल या 2 कैंडल, ओके, डोंट जस्ट लाइक गो ऑन द कैंडल्स, देन वी कैन प्लान समथिंग। तुम समझ रहे हो? बट ये होना चाहिए। This is where I'm comfortable taking a trade. This level or some sort of setup. I'm on buy. कहाँ से? Wait, I'm not able to see. Hello, Amy. What's up, buddy? What's up, Amy? Okay, sorry. I'm on buy 4360. 4360. Where is the 4360? Crazy. Love that. Nice level, but I need some more confirmation, dude. ठीक है गाइज, जो लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे फटाफट लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल दैट वी कम लाइव डेली 8:30, okay, 8:30 we grind every day, and this is what we do. We take live trade, we analyze market, we talk to our community people, right? If you want to join the community, if you want to talk to me, join the link in the description. That is a community link, okay? Now what I want this to be taken out. Wait, I can't see the, yeah, this is a level, ठीक है? That is where we can plan for a buy. Sorry, stream पे नहीं आ पाया, I was pretty busy with YT. No worries, brother, no worries. What do you do on YT, bro? You keep mentioning cancel. Bro, I was about to block you, भाई. I was about to block you. मतलब गलती से हो गया था, but हाँ. What do you do on YT? Tell me. You keep mentioning YT. चलो ठीक है. I need that tap in, dude. I need that tap in. हम प्लान कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, नो वरीज. इफ़ इट गोज अगेंस्ट अस, देखो प्लान डेफिनेटली हो सकता है, अच्छा सेटअप है, ठीक है, गुड है, सब गुड है. द ओनली थिंग इज़ दैट और एक मेरे को कन्फर्मेशन चाहिए, एंड उसके बाद ट्रेड प्लान हो सकता है, बट ट्रेड विथ गुड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, ओके. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट यू गाइज. इफ़ anybody of you like taking a trade, please, stop loss should be there as soon as you like, start taking a trade. Commentary, shorts, anime, news, theories, facts, so many things, bro. What's your YT? Tell me. Okay, चलो थोड़ा वेट करते हैं अभी, राइट? मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये कैंडल रिजेक्ट हो. आई वॉन्ट दिस कैंडल टू गेट रिजेक्टेड, यार. आई वॉन्ट दिस टू गेट टैप्ड इन this level, this is very important, okay? ये मुझे चाहिए. अगर ये नहीं होता then I'll be like fuck you fair value gap. ठीक है, वेट करो थोड़ा. it's too soon for me, समझ रहे हो? it's too soon for me. हमने इतना सब कुछ देखा, 1-2 घंटे से हम लाइव है, ठीक है, 1 घंटे से. that's my content load. I make shorts covering latest trend and the anime community. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. What is your YT? Is the same Instagram, the YouTube you have on the same email? I want some sort of rejection here. This candle का कितना मिनट बचा है? इस कैंडल का 2 मिनट बचा. अगर इसको ब्रेक करता है ना ब्रो, I'm gonna cry. अगर इसको ब्रेक करता है इस लेवल को, I'm gonna cry, because that was my level. I hope it does not break that level. Okay, let's do some anti-trade pose, and then we'll be able to see some rejection. Please reject. Oh, that's a different, but I wanna reveal it. I run through too. All right, good for you, dude. Keep doing it. Much love. Okay, चलो. I want this candle का rejection. God, please help us reject this candle as soon as possible, so we can take a trade for a buy. 1 मिनट बचा है. 1 मिनट में क्या रिजेक्ट होगा? No, 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 no. Ah, fucking hell. I'm bored, dude. Fucking bored. Are we back? Boys, are we back? Boys, I'm scared. Boys, are we back? Boys, are we back? Can you guys hear me? Wait. Can you guys hear me? Yes, yes, yes. Sorry guys. थोड़ा मैकबुक का चार्ज ख़त्म हो गया था. एक सेकंड बस. ओके ओके रुक जाओ रुक जाओ रुक जाओ रुक जाओ रुक जाओ. आ रहा हूँ मैं आ रहा हूँ रुक जा. बट नो फेस कैम. यस 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 रुक जाओ. फेस कैम लाता हूँ मैं. ये लॉग इन लॉग आउट कैसे हो गया यार. एक सेकंड ना. मैं तुमको बस एक सेकंड में आएगा इस. होल्ड करो सारे लोग. कोई भी नहीं जाएगा ठीक है. कोई भी नहीं जाएगा. कोई भी नहीं जाएगा. अबे fucker, this is so bad. I'm here. Okay. Okay, good. ठीक है. मेरा थोड़ा लॉग आउट हो गया था and now we are back. Let me give you a face cam as well. But तुमको MacBook से आना पड़ेगा मुझे. Okay, we are back. Oh fuck. We're back. Okay, just a second. You guys able to see me now? We need some more lights here or what? Okay, cool. No worries. This is better. ठीक है. आज के लिए थोड़ा चला लो. MacBook के कैमरे से आया हूँ मैं. I think you guys are able to see me. Earthquake नहीं भाई. Earthquake नहीं आया है. मैंने अपना थोड़ा सिस्टम हिला दिया पूरा. Okay. I think you guys are good. We are good. ठीक है. Let's come to the chart. What did I tell you? Sorry. What I told you, dude? We need some sort of rejection. ठीक है. आ गया. But still it did not take out that. I told you, no, we need some rejection, right? We need some rejection from that level. So yeah, that's what we can get. Bro, my age is 24. I'm 24, dude. And no, power cut is, no, we don't, I stay in a good society, so there is no power cut, nothing like that. If it happens, it comes back in like 2 seconds, so no issues. That's what happens when you make money. So yeah, you don't have to face the power cuts and everything. Okay, I think you guys are not able to see me clearly, but I think this is it. इतना ही देखना ठीक है. ज़्यादा भी अच्छे से कोई सीन नहीं है. ओके जैसे मैंने बोला था यहाँ से कैंडल रिजेक्ट होना चाहिए, तो यहाँ से ये रिजेक्शन तुमको देखने को मिल रहा है यहाँ पर, राइट. व्हाट आई वांट नेक्स्ट, राइट, आई वांट नेक्स्ट कैंडल टू टेक दिस लो, राइट, एटलीस्ट दिस लो, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग. समझ रहे हो, मेरे को बस चाहिए ये वाला लो कैप्चर कर दे, एंड देन वी कैन प्लान फॉर. वेरी नाइस सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर. तो तब हम प्लान कर सकते हैं यहाँ से कुछ बाय करना, ठीक है. बट एट दिस पॉइंट तो कुछ भी मैं इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ अभी बाइंग, ठीक है. आई थिंक वन ऑफ द मेंबर ऑलरेडी बॉट फ्रॉम हियर, आई थिंक दिस लेवल और दिस लेवल. बट यार मैं थोड़ा वेट करना चाहूँगा, राइट, बिकॉज दिस कैंडल इज़ वेरी बिग, इट वॉज वेरी फास्ट, एंड देर आर सो मेनी ऑर्डर्स दैट आर पेंडिंग हियर. ओके, ये ऑर्डर की ये जो कैंडल है, इसमें इसके पीछे अगर तुम इसका स्कैन करोगे, राइट, इसका स्कैन करोगे, एक्सरे लाइक एक्सरे, राइट, तुम अगर स्कैन करोगे तुम्हें पता चलेगा किस टाइप में ऑर्डर्स वहाँ पर पेंडिंग है, एंड इट हैज़ टू कम डाउन टू दिस लेवल, एटलीस्ट हाफ ऑफ द ऑर्डर टू लाइक इट हैज़ टू गो अप फ्रॉम हियर, राइट. देन एक लाइक कैसे हटता है यहाँ से, हाउ डू आई डू दिस. एनी अपडेट राजेश, ओके कूल, ठीक है. हमें चाहिए थोड़ा रिजेक्शन यहाँ से चाहिए, एंड अगर यहाँ से रिजेक्ट होता है देन वी आर गुड. ओके कूल, फटाफट सारे लोग आ जाओ, ठीक है. अभी थोड़ा पंप होने वाले हैं हम, क्योंकि इस लेवल पे जब मार्केट आएगा तब जाके हम बाय करेंगे विथ लाइक आई एम गोना बाय. ओके, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू गाइज टू बाय, इट्स कप आई कैन टेक लॉसेस, दैट्स फाइन. I cannot take losses very well, but still if it's a good setup and if the risk management and the stop loss and everything is clear, then we don't mind taking it. समझ रहे हो. So yeah, just focus on it now. हम चाहते हैं कि ये जो कैंडल अभी क्रिएट हो रही है, राइट, हम चाहते हैं इसको ब्लैक में कन्वर्ट होना, ठीक है. तो ब्लैक मतलब रेड, समझ रहे हो. कैंडल का मेरा जो कलर थोड़ा चेंज है, बट लाइक या सो हम चाहते हैं इसको एटलीस्ट इस लेवल पे आ जाए. इसको मैं अभी हटा देता हूँ और इसको भी मैं अभी फ़िलहाल हटा देता हूँ, ठीक है. ये जो रिजेक्शन हुआ, इट वॉज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस रिजेक्शन वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आई नीडेड दिस रिजेक्शन. समझ रहे हो. सो डू नॉट मेक इट ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड वेट फॉर दिस टू कम टू दिस लेवल, ठीक है. आई होप वो इस कैंडल में हो जाए, ताकि फिर देन वील हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कन्फर्मेशन जिससे हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, राइट. बॉटम 4360. Yeah, he told me. Rajesh bought already, but that's completely fine, right? Buffering again. No, it cannot buffer, bro. It cannot buffer. Wait, let me see. Yeah, he told me. Rajesh bought already, but that's completely fine, right? No, it's not buffering. It's working fine. It's working completely fine. Should I make myself a little more bigger? ठीक है. Okay, it has tapped into the fair value gap. But now, hold up. No, it's not buffering, bro. It's not buffering. It's working fine. I think check your internet. Okay, it has tapped into the fair value gap. The level has been tapped in. We cannot buy from here again. That is what I'm telling you guys. You cannot buy from here. Thank you, sir. Sudarshan. Okay. Much love, brother. Much love. ओके, तो फेयर वैली गैप का जो लेवल है उसमें ऑलरेडी टैप इन हो चुका है. यू नीड टू वेट फॉर सम टाइम, राइट. वी नीड सम सॉर्ट ऑफ इंगल्फिंग कैंडल टू द अपसाइड, देन वी कैन थिंक ऑफ बाइंग. Okay, you cannot directly buy just because it's top into the fair value gap, now I can buy from here. No, you cannot buy from here, like, you know, just gotta wait for some time, dude. ठीक है. The rejection is nice. I love that tap in. You see that, right? So there are two things, right? You can also call it like, no, you cannot call it anything else, right? It's just like a fair value gap tap in, dude. Like, we needed that. I told you, right? This is what I want. The drawing is still there. I'm not even removing it. It came exactly to that point and it rejected from that, and it will be a black candle. I just removed it, right? It will be a black candle, And what we can see next, we want this, some sort of this, then we can think of buying. You know what I mean? Don't use volume, it helps understanding the breaker, fake breaker. I don't really use any of the trade this dude, like what do you call it, this indicators and all. I just don't like it. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, there are two things, right? Tapping into the fair value gap or running through the fair value gap. Two things are there. You need to understand that. Tapping into the fair value gap or like just running through that fair value gap. This is a tap in, right? What if it's gonna run through that fair value gap? Then that's a problem. Right? Then it changes the whole scenario. The whole scenario comes to a different level then. Okay, I want more people here, right? Share this stream, like the stream, so it can go to more people. Like, you know, I told you, right? I want this candle, right? The drawing is still here. The drawing is still fucking here. समझ रहे हो? Also, do not mind my language. I'm really sorry for this, but it's very natural. It comes like that. Okay? ठीक है. तो हमें चाहिए यहाँ पर, हमें चाहिए ये कैंडल इस तरीके से बने, राइट? एटलीस्ट ये वाला जो लेवल है, ये वाला लेवल ब्रेक हो, ये वाला लेवल, राइट? देन आई कैन थिंक ऑफ बाइंग. And with the proper risk management, by the way, right? If it goes against me, that is completely fine, right? And if I am buying, that doesn't mean you have to buy too. ठीक है? मैं किसी को बोल नहीं रहा हूँ. That's just like my opinion that I'm gonna buy from that level. That's it. And what is my target and everything, we'll tell you. We'll tell you everything. Okay, don't worry about it. Yes, I do take it. It helps, dude. It helps. ठीक है. 3 मिनट बचे इस कैंडल को. जब तक ये कैंडल क्लोज नहीं होता है, हम बाय नहीं करेंगे. सॉरी, मैं बाय नहीं करूँगा. ओके. One of my friend yesterday dip in XNS using 50K time converter to. Oh damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. ठीक है. ठीक है, अभी तक बाय नहीं होगा. होल्ड करो. 2.5 मिनट बचे इस कैंडल को अभी तक. 2.5 मीन्स 2.5, राइट? या 2.5. ओके, अढ़ाई ढाई वट एवर यू कॉल इट. ठीक है, बन गया उस टाइप का कैंडल जो हमें चाहिए था. ड्राइंग इज स्टिल देयर. आई नीड यहाँ तक का पुश, राइट? द नेक्स्ट कैंडल इज गोना बी क्रेजी. We're gonna buy from here, and if it goes against it, that is completely fine, but this is a level that we're gonna buy from here, right? I want more people to join as soon as possible. Like the stream, share with your friends, family, whoever it is जिसको भी ट्रेडिंग सीखना है, ट्रेडिंग में इंटरेस्टेड है, पैसे कमाने हैं, राइट? एक फ्रीडम वाली लाइफ चाहिए, वट एवर इट इज़, राइट? बिकॉज 2026 इज गोना बी अ फकिंग रीस्टार्ट फॉर एवरी वन. समझ, इट्स गोना बी अ रीस्टार्ट. अगर तुम 2026 में अगर रीस्टार्ट नहीं कर रहे हो और सारी चीज़ें सॉर्ट आउट नहीं कर रहे हो, गेट योर शिट टुगेदर, राइट? पुल अप योर फकिंग पैंट्स, राइट? सो या, लेट्स गो. फटाफट सारे लोग, जितने भी लोग आए हैं, ज्वाइन कर लो. इफ़ यू वांट द बेस्ट ब्रोकर इन द मार्केट, दैट link in the description. The max commission is $7, right? For one lot. It's the best commission, this best broker out there, right? Okay, जो हमारा लेवल था उस पे कैंडल आ चुकी है, right? Started from here, came to this level. समझ रहे हो? मैं चाहता हूँ इसकी बॉडी बाहर जाए. Okay, now the body is going out. Now the body is going out. You see that? Now I can think of buying. Right? You buying? Yeah, I might buy, right? But just don't buy because I'm buying. So yeah, this is just my setup. It works all the time. Sometimes it does not, right? Because it's trading. You cannot expect anything perfect all the time. We are not perfect. I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect, right? So yeah, we are learning. If it's gonna go against us, that is fine. If it's gonna go with us, that is fine, right? Either we are winning or either we are learning. That's it, bro. There is no name to it, bro. It's just I have like a video about it, right? I'll tell you later, right? It's very basic, right? I think go to my Instagram, Pradeep X Trades. I think the recent reel I explained this setup, right? It's not even a setup, dude. It's more like that how market behaves. It's not even about the setups anymore. It's like how market behaves, right? We're gonna buy from here. Cool. How many? 12 seconds. Chalo, let's do this. Let's do this shit. Okay, with proper risk management and everything. How much we're gonna buy from here? 0.6. Let's do 0.6. Okay. Okay, cool. Already in minus, dude. Come on. Okay. $15 in profit already. Okay, we're buying from here. This is like a already bought. Let's keep this as of now. Okay. Okay, I'll manually manage the TP and the everything. Okay, the rejection is not like not nice, not looking good at all. Okay, just wait. Let me remove this box also. I think we should have waited for one more candle, but that is completely fine. It's okay. It's completely fine, right? If I'm going for this, dude. Honestly, I'm telling you. Or you never know this. You get it? You get it? But no. As of now, this. Right? We'll change this. But thoda wait karo. Okay? Are we in profit? Let me see. Are we in profit? Not yet. Okay, we are in profit. Cool? Chalo. Sort. Chalo, ready ho jao sare. Either we learn or either we win. That's it. Right? Either we learn, either we win. That's it. Nothing more than that. Either we learn or either we win. I said it 3 times. Why did I say it 3 times? All the people who are watching right now, go subscribe to the channel. You'll be able to see me live daily, trading with you all. अगर कुछ भी दिक्कत है, आके मुझे question पूछ सकते हो. I'm here to help you. Everyone who needs help. Okay? Because when I started trading, I did not how to start with it. Right? I have learned many way. I watched YouTube videos through this, through that, like PDFs and like whatnot, dude, whatnot. And actually what helps, watching everyone and then doing what I really can, and then looking at the charts, observing the charts and how it really moves. And ICT really helps me, by the way. When you go to ICT's channel, it's not about like what is he teaching, it's like what is he saying, right? Because the way he explains everything, it is very important for everybody to understand that. Like how he talks about the candle, कि किस तरीके से कैंडल फॉर्म होता है, किस तरीके से सेटअप फॉर्म होता है, हर चीज़ों के पीछे रीज़न पता होना चाहिए. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल जस्ट गो फॉर द सेटअप्स और टाइप ऑफ कैंडल्स इवन दो दे डोंट नो व्हाट इट डज, व्हाट इज रियली मीन्स. द मीनिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू ट्रेडिंग. You guys find meanings in tattoos. Ki, oh, I want to have a meaningful tattoos. Fuck that shit, bro. I don't care about your tattoos. Focus on this. You're getting my point. So yeah, are we in profit? And almost no, we're not. Okay, that's fine. Hold up. Just hold for some time. I'm very against having a meaningful tattoos. By the way, I'm very much against having a meaningful tattoos. What the fuck are you gonna do with that meaning, dude? It's just like, if it looks good, it looks good. That's it. Why? Do you wanna sound like more intellectual, like giving all the meanings to your tattoos? No. Like, stop with that. Like, that's so boring. That's so like 2005. Okay. Can we hype? Can we just type W or L? W. If you think that I took it like good decisions, like, like that's not gonna change my anything. That's not gonna change my perspective, not my trade. But we can just have fun with it. समझ रहे हो? Okay, let's go. I'm more hyped now. More hyped. I think you guys are able to see me clearly, right? Because I'm using my MacBook camera. But yeah, my MacBook was about to die. It was like dying. So yeah, find meanings in trading, find meanings in setups, find meanings in every candle that is creating a wick. It is creating a doji candle. It is creating any kind of sort of patterns or whatever you call it. Understand that why it is moving like that, why it is happening, right? Try to understand that. Don't try to find meanings in random things that does not even need it. Got it? Do not debate on basic as things. have some level, okay? And also, most important, surround yourself with the people who you think actually as crazy as you, as mad as you, right? Don't be around with basic people, because they're gonna like take you down, dude. Take you down very very fast. Okay? So that is how it is. Just a second, guys. All right. Okay, it's going up. How much it is? It's $88. It's $100 now. You see that? You see that Muggy, like trade hitting that level? Can you guys hear me? Okay. Like the stream, join the community. That is what I'm telling. Like when I say like surround yourself with the people who are actually a fucking winners. That is what I mean. That's why I created this community, that I want everybody to be at certain level. I don't want people with basic ass levels. $161 already in. You see that? You see that? Yep. But don't get too excited, bro. This level is very important. Don't get too excited. I am the only one who's getting excited. Okay? So that's what I'm saying. Like surround yourself with the people who you think that can actually help you grow with you, and do not anyone in this chat. Yes, dude, they are. I hope they are learning. I hope they are just not watching and they're learning actually, right? Guys, that's what I'm saying. Like, keep learning, right? And as I like, when I tell you about the surrounding, it is very important. Trust me, it is very important. Okay, you need to have a good surrounding. That's why I am gonna create a community where everybody can come and become a winner. You see that shit, right? Because I see too many people just talking shit, just talking, oh, I'm gonna do this, oh, I'm gonna do that. Like too many people with blabber, dude. Like all fucking blabber. Like stop that shit and do some work. Okay, चलो 2.5 मिनट हो चुका है, राइट? 2.5 मिनट हो चुका है. We need this to go up, right? We need this level to break, and then we can see some good levels, right? Are we in profit already? Yes, fucker, we are in profit. 73. Okay, it's gonna happen. It's okay. It's good. Don't be shy. Don't be shy with it. Okay, let it happen. Just trust the process, and it will come to you. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention, like the stream. Okay, the people who are watching, like the stream. There are 40 people watching and 14 likes. Like, you can make it more, right? You can make it more. I hope you can make it more, because I don't think so you guys want to see someone just sitting there doing nothing, saying nothing, talking to you like कुछ भी नहीं बात कर रहा मैं. तुम समझ रहे हो? I don't want, like, you guys don't want to see those people, right? I hope you want some energetic people who really give a shit about you. You're getting my point. Till when you're live, till the time I'm alive, bro. I'm just kidding. I'll be live. I will be live for some time more, right? I don't know. If I like it, I'll be. What time, dude? What time? Let's ask ChatGPT. वो वे ओ शिट, अभी सब कुछ गलत हो जाता है यार. नो 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 नो, नॉट गोना ओपन चैट जीपीटी. The fuck. It's 12:30, no? It's 12:30, no? Yeah, okay. Do you guys want me to be live till 12:30? Do you guys want to make some insane money on 12:30? No, we are not trading in, like, yeah, we are not trading in news, dude. I'm staying away. I'm staying away, honestly. What is the result show though? Okay, the more 8 times per week. Okay. Fine. Are we in profit? Yes, we are in profit. Let's go. It's going up. Let's go. Let's go, bitches. You saw that shit hitting that level? No news trading is gambling. Yeah. No. It's not gambling. It's not. Yeah, it's kind of gambling actually. It's not. No, I don't trade, bro. I just take. मुझे मजे आते हैं news देखने में. How much profit? 170. 170. Cool. Okay. We see this. We'll hold this till this level. I think this level is also good, but it's like it's too small. It's too small. It's too small. It's too small. ठीक है? It's too small. You want? Yeah, give. Okay, just a second, guys. मैं एक 30 सेकंड के लिए कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा. ओके तुम लोग बात करो आपस में 30 सेकंड्स के लिए. ठीक है, ऊपर जा रहा है. I took other phone. I have something to do with this phone. Thank you so much, Krishna. Krishna is the real G, bro. Honestly, Krishna is the real G. I'm so hungry right now. I'm so hungry. So fucking hungry right now. I should order some. But like, I don't want to like do that like, on mic. It's just such a gay. Sorry. Well, let's go. Let's fucking go. All right. Damn, look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit. This is what I'm talking about, brothers and sisters. Like, bro, I'm kind of scared at this level. Should we like take the profit? W in the chat, boys. W in the motherfucking chat. Let's go. I told you that. I told you, dude. It works all the fucking time. All the fucking time it works, right? No. What? No, Rajesh? No, right? Okay. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Okay, this happens. Don't take the profit. Wow. You guys are insane. You guys really want me to like. Okay, crazy. I'll hold for you guys. No issues. Not even that, dude. I know it's gonna go up, but like it might just like do some shady ass things here, like like what happened yesterday. We didn't take profit and like it went completely opposite, but that's fine. We're holding it. 430 USD, that is the current profit going on. Okay, let's take that. Nah, dude, it's okay. I'm not taking it. I'm only saying, why, because this level is very crucial. I'll tell you why I said it, right? This was the level. It hit this level. So should we consider the wick or the body? You're getting my point. Should we consider the wick or the body? So that is what we are looking at right now, and we should go for the body right now. You saw that $600. Let's go. Let's move the TP to that level. TP. Okay. 697, good level. 697. Okay. Let's go. Let's take it at 500. No, I'm taking it 6. Let's take it. Fuck that shit. Let's go. 621 profit. You saw that? Damn. So good at it, bro. So it might flip from here, okay? Otherwise, this is the level next. If it's not gonna flip from here, this is the next level. But like, okay, let's not do more now, okay? W in the chat, boys. W in the motherfucking chat, okay? Let's go. Target hit. Let's go. What I told you, one of the fucking best setup. don't fuck with me when it comes to trading, yeah. That's what I'm telling. Like the stream, like the stream, okay. I don't want. Okay, like the stream if you like to watch me only, okay. Don't like it otherwise. I don't want this khairat and all. Like I don't like that shit. Samajh rahe ho? Okay, like the stream, and yes, that was the profit in front of your eyes. Very good, very nice. If you go on 1 minute time frame, what you can see, this was the level. Pretty good level, nice. Love that completely. You saw that? So good. Let me tell you this. This is a profit, okay. 621 USD in less than 20 minutes. Okay, perfect. So fucking good. It's still going up. Look, damn. I'm telling you all. What I told you, this level is so good. Still going up. Nice. And I'll tell you. Now it's going up, right? मेरे को लग भी नहीं रहा ओ शिट मैंने क्यों निकाला, मुझे और रुकना चाहिए. नहीं, that's your time, that is your TP. If it's gonna hit your TP, you're supposed to leave from there, right? You sold it. Yeah, I sold it, bro. Yeah, you see that? A best setup. I'm so blessed because of you, bro. Damn, that is such a good statement, brother. Josh. Thank you so much for saying that. Really appreciate that. Yes, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Discipline matters, bro. Discipline matters. This fucking this, what do we call it? Motivation is so temporary, right? It's so temporary. Join the description. Join the link in the description. That is a community link. Okay, I want people like this. I want people like me. I want people like me in my community, right? I don't want losers. I want winners. Okay. So yeah, this is the trade, right? I think someone bought it from here. Good, but at the same time, I told you I always wait for the good setup, and this was my setup, and this is a profit, and this is a trade. So good, so freaking good, right? We waited for this for like 2 hours. 2 घंटे. Wait, let me see the stream कब से हो रहा है हमारा. 2 घंटा. Yes, see, you see that? 2 hours. We waited for this 2 hours, and finally we got it. We got what we really want. Tell me, जो लोगों ने buy किया था, I think some guy bought it from me. How much he made? Tell me that. Okay. I don't know. Move SL to like works like something trading SL. Yeah. Why not move SL to up? Yeah. I did it. Like I was gonna do it, but like मेरे को time ही नहीं मिला, and like मैंने SL लगा भी नहीं था. Like I was gonna cut it from here only, right? You see that? It's still going up. So good. This is so basic, so good. I'm watching. I know, bro. I know, Krishna. You're the real G. I'm telling you. 2 घंटे से देख रहा है तू. You can't really tell, bro. Honestly, just like how price action works, you can't really tell. You just have to like, don't get into like deep too much, right? Understand the basics, and yeah, it will definitely help you. But yeah, you saw that it rejected from there. TP is 4399. Nah, dude. 4399. 4399. You're saying? Oh, this one. Yeah, it might go, but like it's gonna take time. Honestly, I'm telling you. And there is the news and this and that. You don't really want to risk that shit, right? But yeah, you saw it rejected from that area, and yep, it's moving. Whatever, we don't care. Do we care? Hell nah. So yeah, this was a trade for the day. A very good trade. We waited for this. We've been एनालाइजिंग ईच एंड एवरी कैंडल, हमने हर एक कैंडल का एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया, हर एक सेटअप का एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया. एंड आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग वी टुक दिस ट्रेड. हम यहाँ से भी ले सकते थे, राइट, बट देर कैन बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट इट कैन गो डाउन फ्रॉम हियर because it's gonna take all that FEG and then reverse from here. You're getting my point? We waited for this engulfing candle and it came. I told you it's gonna create. It still is there. The drawing is still there. You see that? The drawing is still there. And this drawing was not after the candle made. It was before the candle made. You're getting my point? So this is how you trade. This is how you take the profit. And it's all experience. Nothing else. Okay? I think someone just told me that, not someone, like before, I think I read it somewhere. It like, I have a secret, like when it comes to trading, I have a secret, and the secret is experience. You know what I mean? So can you really steal that secret? No, you cannot, because experience cannot be stolen, right? You need to be in the situation, you need to be at that place, and that's how you make profits, and that's how you become consistent in your daily life as well. Okay, I'm blessed to have this kind of like people like you and like doing all this thing. Whatever I have, I'm more than blessed, honestly, right? God can't give me more, he will give me more, but like I'm blessed. So yeah, thank you so much again. I think this is the end of this episode number 18. Subscribe to the channel. Okay, this is a video that I've recently made.
Thông tin chi tiết về các hoạt động lớn hơn của người chơi. Những người chơi lớn là những con cá voi của thị trường và thường là họ chăm ngọt
करेंगे कि हमारे लिए एक बेस्ट ब्रोकर कौन सा हो सकता है. देखो, मैंने बहुत सारा रिसर्च किया, 2-3 महीने में आई थिंक मैं यही कर रहा था. मैंने बहुत सारे ब्रोकर टेस्ट एंड ट्रायल किए, उनका स्प्रेड, उनका कमीशन, उनके विड्रॉल्स एंड डिपॉजिट्स, उनका स्प्रेड, सारी चीज़ें देखने के बाद फाइनली आई केम टू. ओके, आई विल सी यू गाइस. थैंक यू सो मच ब्रो. डैम, दैट्स रियली गुड ब्रो, दैट्स रियली गुड, रियली गुड. Much love, much love, much love. God bless you. Join the community, like the stream, and subscribe to the channel. And more important, turn on the notifications, okay? Because I want people, when I come live, I want people to be there. I want my people to be there. You're getting my point? So when I come live, directly come live. When I come live, you'll be able to see the notification and get the notification. Subscribe to the channel. जितने भी लोग देख रहे हैं, I want that subscribed. Sub it right now. All right? This is me, Pradeep, signing off. This is like another day. Tomorrow is 31st, and tomorrow is a new day and the new beginning of everyone's life. Kal 31st hoga, last day of this year, and I will try my best to come live tomorrow. Otherwise, I will give you update on my Instagram or my community channel. ठीक है? This is a new restart for everyone, and I hope you guys will do something in your life, and God is watching you, and just trust the process. That's it. This is me, Pradeep, signing off. I'll see you next year or tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Much love.